everybody, welcome back to Sav's Glam Beauty. So I'm going to be using this orange peel. I'm going to be making some vitamin C cream. So what I did was I peel up the orange, one of these, and then put it in the bowl and put some aloe vera juice on it and let it soak overnight. Okay, so this is what we left with. I'm gonna be using my little blender and I'm gonna be putting it in here like so. I'm gonna be blending the orange peel with my magic bullet. Is it magic bullet? Yes, that's what I'm gonna be doing, okay? I'm gonna sieve this very well. This is how it's looking in here. I'm done screening the orange peel. Now let's make the cream, okay? I'm gonna be using some aloe vera gel. I'm gonna be putting a spoonful in here for a start. Like so, okay? This much. It's a little bit watery, so I'm gonna be adding a little bit more aloe vera. So we are still mixing. We have to get this consistency right. So that's what I'm doing. I didn't want to use the little hand mixer because it's gonna pull air in here and it'll be a lot of bubbles, and I didn't want that. So yep. Now I'm gonna be adding a few drops of Jason's vitamin E oil, like so. I'm gonna be adding some carrot oil. gonna take this spoon and go like so. 1 spoon of carrot oil. And I'm gonna be adding a few drops of tea tree oil, my little handy dandy tea tree oil. Let's mix. The next ingredient is some glycerin. Add a little bit of glycerin in here. A spoonful of glycerin. It's a little loose right now. I don't have a problem with the consistency, but I think I want it a little bit thick. So I'm gonna be adding some more aloe vera. So let's mix. The next ingredient is some jojoba oil. So we are done with the mixing process. It's time to package. It is really easy to package this. So let's do this, okay? Just gonna be putting it in here like so. I am super proud and happy that I did this on camera because I've been using this lotion for at least a year now, and it is treating me so well. So I thought about sharing this with y'all. It is a bouncy consistency. This won't have to be mine because I'm touching it like this, but it's a bouncy consistency. It is so lovely. I like it. I don't know if I don't have a lot of room, but look here. It's really, really thin, and that's what I love about it because I don't like take lotion or cream on my face. So yeah, it feels lovely and smells really, really good. Okay, I hope you guys try this recipe at home because you will be saving yourself a ton of money on this. Like, this is all natural. This is all healthy. It's gonna give you the best glow that you have ever had. Okay? So that's all I have for this video, you guys. Thank you for watching. I appreciate every one of you for supporting me. And until next time, God bless. Bye-bye.